Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to see how much money you have received it from somebody on CashApp. But before I begin, I'd like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you already shop on Amazon, you can save hundreds, if not thousands of dollars by getting the Amazon Prime subscription. If you'd like to not save all this money, click the Amazon Prime subscription trial link. As you look to the middle of your screen, you're gonna see Amazon deal and Amazon Prime trial. So that's the link right there. You can find in the video description. And I highly recommend this subscription because it can save you a lot of money. You can cancel anytime, which is a huge privilege to try something and cancel anytime that you consider. So I would highly recommend for you guys to check it out and let me know how it goes. Now let's get back to a video. Like I said, I'll show you how to see how much money you have received from somebody on your CashApp. So first, we're gonna open up CashApp. So once you open a CashApp, you're gonna get on this main screen right here. So once you get this home screen, look on the bottom right hand corner. We're gonna see like a circle, and it look like a time clock. And there's two arrows, one pointing up and one pointing on the right. So make sure that you select the little circle. It look like a time clock. Make sure you select that. It's on the bottom right hand corner. Make sure you select that. Once you select that, you're gonna get you here. Once you get here, make sure that you go on someone that have sent you money. So tap on the person right there, and they're gonna say payment from. Once they say payment from, and that's how you see like how much money you have received from somebody, and you say like received it, the amount right there. So that's how much money I've received it from somebody, and that's how you see how much money I've received from somebody. So if you have like any other question, leave them in the comment section below, and don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial. You can find in my video description. As I said earlier, it's a way for you to save money. So I recommend it for you guys to check it out. And thank you for watching.